Hello, hi, what's up, my beautiful people? So, this is our arrival at Karura Forest, and I'm going to show you some of the pictures and moments that we had and the fun that we had at Karura Forest. So, on our arrival, we had breakfast. As you can see, we are having tea, and we began our journey. Mmesema mnaingia grave? Mafuru mwanywa. Aftasa. Acha hata ni zoom. The outfit was jersey and every member turned up looking wow in the jerseys. Na by the way, I did love venye walikuwa nakaa. Kuna wenye walikuwa wamevaa jersey, we had pants. Everybody looked amazing. So kama hujai fika Karura, kindly you are missing something. You're missing that moment. Fika huko, unaniona hapo. As you can see, I was chilling, having some meditation, self-meditation with myself, vibing with myself. It was just cool and fantastic. Guys, I loved it. So for the people who've gone there, you can give your confessions, or you can tell others how the place is and everything about it. You can see this is giving the directions to different destinations. Here is a tree. I was just interested with the trees, and I kept on taking pictures of trees. As you can see, having a nature walk, something beautiful, something fantastic. And looking here, we were at caves. So there are posts in each and every places to guide you and give information of the forest. Here we have waterfall and cave circuit, waterfall caves. Here we have Lily Lake, direction to Limuru Road Gate 1. As you can see, here we have Karura Forest Reservation and a map giving the whole direction of the Karura Forest. As you can see, my ladies, my divas were all excited. The divas were all adventurous. The divas were having fun in everything they were doing. Like, I just loved their company and everything about them. And now it was time for soloship, and guess what, guys? It was amazing. As you can see here, we had varieties of meals, and I can't even mention all of them. We had a lot, and it was so delicious, yummy, sweet. I don't know how I can describe it, but was one of my best moments in 2026. So if you've never visited Karura, kindly make the appointment of doing so. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, give feedbacks on this video that I've just created for you on our visit to Karura Forest. It was amazing. Thank you guys for viewing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing, and for even subscribing. Thank